more than just a roadmap. She was amazing. The strategies she gave us, all the knowledge that we also learned from other partners who are here. It was such a wonderful experience, and I can't wait to come back and tell you how much I have made. So I look forward to the next Millionaires Circle. Thank you.
Well, my favorite part of this whole experience is learning how all of this is going to go by the fact that we saw everybody here. Those who've already opened, we haven't opened yet, but it gives me hope because I didn't see the roadmap, but now it's very clear to me with everything that we heard from everybody, including the partners and the guests. So it's been an amazing experience, and I'm so looking forward to opening our spot.
Amazing. Thank you.